This video is a warning to anyone investing in crypto or thinking about investing in crypto, because you are going to fail and you are going to lose money. These stories I'm going to share are going to scare you into learning about crypto, because I don't want you to lose any money. I want you to learn from all of my painful mistakes. Just don't get sucked up in the hype of the next bull run like the vast majority of retail investors. Don't think for 1 second you are going to jump in and make a fortune and get out. It's just not that simple. You have to learn and you have to put the work in. Exactly what you're doing watching this video. I'm now going to give you 6 reasons many investors fail in crypto so you can avoid them and invest with skill, and with any luck make some serious money over the next 12 to 18 months, because this is a massive opportunity to make money for us plebs. It's huge, and this is because we're still so early. You have the opportunity to front run big institutions like BlackRock and Fidelity. Right, let's start with the first reason many investors fail in crypto. Number 1 is lack of knowledge and research. Before you nod off, I implore you to hear me out. You need to understand and research anything you invest into, especially crypto, because it's early and it's still so volatile. It took me 5 years to fully understand and 2 bull markets. This mistake of mine, gambling in crypto instead of understanding crypto, has cost me hundreds of thousands of pounds in profits that have slipped through my fingers. Failing to understand the fundamental concepts, technology and market dynamics of crypto can lead to poor decision making and poor investments. You won't believe the amount of eye rolls I've had when I use the word research and crypto in the same sentence. If this is you, I have a feeling you're about to get sucked into the hype and you're going to try and gamble your way to financial freedom. Moving on to reason for failure number 2, and that is emotional decision making. This is where I come into my own, because I've been too emotional for as long as I can remember. Making decisions based on fear, greed or other emotional factors rather than rational analysis result in poor investment choices and potential losses. Let's use an example from 2021 when I got into a meme coin. I've mentioned this in previous videos, but it bears repeating. I put £2,000 into a crypto coin I didn't understand. I didn't know what the use case was. I got in because of peer pressure and because of FOMO. That isn't all, not even close. The coin flew up in value and my 2,000 went up to 68,000 in just over 4 weeks, and I didn't cash out. And over 2 years later, I still haven't cashed out. And my 2,000 is now down to 400. I can't explain the emotions me and 10 of my colleagues had in one particular day in April 2021. We all thought we were expert investors who were about to retire, swaggering around the worksite like we were stars of Wall Street. I knew what to do, but I got sucked in. One of my biggest and most painful mistakes, and this is down to emotional decision making. Please learn from this one, as I want you to avoid being too emotional with your investing. Reason for failure number 3 is overconfidence. You get 1 or 2 wins and all of a sudden you think you're Warren Buffett. Like me and the lads who got lucky with the meme coin and let it go to our heads. After 6 months of investing, you think that everything you invest into is going to make you huge amounts of money. Enjoy the win, yes, definitely, but you need to bring yourself down to earth and remember that investing is a long-term game and every investor suffers at least some losses. Being overly confident without proper risk management strategies can lead to significant losses if the market goes against your expectations. My biggest lesson, hands down, as an investor with over 20 years of experience, is the importance of being neutral around money and investing. Like not getting too upset when you lose and not getting too excited when you win. Reason for failure number 4, falling for scams and fraudulent schemes. Many investors have steamed in without doing proper research and fell for scams or rug pulls. It turns out that meme coin I invested into, was a rug pull. A rug pull, by the way, is when a con artist is clever with the marketing. They build the hype up and get loads of money from retail investors for a meme coin, for example. A meme coin with no use case. They build the project up and then pull most of the money out, leaving retail investors like me and you with egg on our face. Costcoin has recently been very popular with friends and colleagues of mine. It's some AI crypto trading app that reeks of Ponzi scheme. The crypto space is not immune to scams, frauds and Ponzi schemes. Failing to research and falling for such traps can lead to big losses. Please be careful in the crypto space, as there are plenty of bad actors more than willing to steal your hard-earned money. Reason for failure number 5 is ignoring security measures. This doesn't just apply to crypto, it applies to everything you do online or when there is money involved. I've had my wallet stolen, for example, and hundreds of pounds stolen from my bank account. If I'm being honest, this happened on holiday. I'd had one or two too many drinks and ended up diving in the pool at the end of the night. I woke up with no wallet and no phone. I found my phone, but someone had taken my wallet. This must have been at the side of the pool or somewhere between the pool and our apartment room. This was my fault, to be honest. I was just trying to think of a time I'd fallen victim of theft. Inadequate security practices such as using weak passwords or sharing sensitive information can make you vulnerable to hacking, theft or other cybersecurity threats. Make security your number one priority and make use of all the security features when you buy crypto, like storing your Bitcoin in a cold wallet or using 2FA on the exchanges you use. Reason for failure number 6 is failing to adapt to market trends. If you're just starting out in crypto, you need to know what's going on in the market. Like, are we in a bull market where your cryptos are going up, or are we in a bear market where your crypto is going down? At this point, I want to direct you to Raoul Pal, who is a bit of an expert on the macro environment. The macro environment refers to the conditions that exist in the economy as a whole. Just look into Raoul Pal on YouTube and he will give you loads of useful information about the economy and the crypto market as a whole. Just be aware that even with some knowledge about the market, no one can time the market. I tried at the end of 2021 and it cost me over £100,000 of crypto profits. The crypto market is highly volatile and constantly evolving. Failing to adapt to changing trends, new technologies or regulatory developments can hinder your progress in the crypto space. There you have it, 6 reasons for possible failure in crypto. But by watching this video, you're now in a good place to avoid these reasons for failure or mistakes. The thing is with crypto is that it can be really painful. 2017 was really painful for me as I lost out tens of thousands of pounds of crypto gains. Again, 2021 was painful as I lost out on well over £100,000 of crypto gains. You will make mistakes. As I said at the start, you are going to fail in crypto. The key is how you respond to that failure. After my spectacular failure in 2021, I struggled. But after a few months, I pulled myself together and got back in the game. I doubled down on education, and the more I educate myself, the more books I read about Bitcoin and crypto in general, the greater my conviction. The greater my conviction grows about this space. Us retail investors have a huge opportunity to make serious, life-changing gains in this next bull market. The information in this video is not financial advice. It's just me trying to help you as an investor to learn from some of my mistakes in crypto. All the information is okay, but learning about crypto is useless if you don't make any money, if you don't know when to take profits out. Don't worry, I've got you covered with a video you can find below in the description. A video that is your beginner's guide to profit taking in crypto. Please take on board what I'm saying and learn as much about crypto as possible. If you do this, I'm convinced you will do well over the next 12 to 18 months. If you've taken something away from this video, you can subscribe to the channel and continue to learn all about crypto.